ইনকমপ্লিট জানা
This is the old village of Fatehpur Sikri, and I definitely don't know anything about this. There is no guide out here, only the government guide they allow here, so it's good, no one will bother you, but at the same time you will not know anything about the place unless and until you hire a government guide. That may be expensive for a solo traveler like me. I didn't inquire the rate, but still I don't have much time also. I'll have to visit Agra Fort and Taj Mahal today itself, so I'll head back as soon as possible. So this is it. Everything is made of red sandstone. Confused. Let's go inside this. What is this? I don't know. 50 rupees ticket is there for Indian citizens, and 25 rupees if you want to shoot some videos. There is no charge for still photography, but if you want to shoot videos, you'll have to pay 25 rupees. Quite a lot of foreigners here. A lot of foreigners here I can see. What is this room for? It's dead end. It feels like some kind of jail. Same thing here. One thing I have heard about the great Akbar, he was a great emperor. Apart from that, he was also a very religiously tolerant person. Like, he built this fort, the fort of Sikandra, and in that fort, a lot of lines of Quran is written on the walls, and along with the Quran, the lines of Bible also is written on the wall of that tomb. So that shows how great he was. Building inside building. सभी तरफ कुछ ना कुछ है यार, समझ नहीं आ रहा किधर जाऊं किधर नहीं. I just jumped from that portion. I want to see how this camera works on stabilization. Check, it's a check. Let's see how this works. Man. Oh wow. This is awesome. Let me take some stills. Battery is also running very fast, only 38 or 37% is remaining. I'll have to visit Agra Fort and Taj Mahal, man. This is going to be a tough day. You can see some more people over there. I think the best is yet to come. This is amazing, man. After 400, 500 years of age, still these buildings are like unbelievable. Oh my god. Is there anything else? Oh. Oh wow. Oh, that building that I was looking is not a building, that is actually a gate, I think. Another compound. So many structures and I don't know the name of anyone. I should have prepared a little bit more. This building, whatever this is, it's looking very, very amazing. It's not symmetrical, it's like the one side is dismantled or what, but still it's looking very, very gorgeous, man. See? What is it? Small roof? I'm seeing so much foreigners here. What will happen in Taj, in Agra Fort? That's why I kept that in the evening. The timing of visiting Taj, I kept that in evening, because when you will have the best thing to come in the last, it will keep the excitement rolling. If I would have visited Taj in the morning, then these structures wouldn't have fascinated me like it is now. What these are built for? What are these functions? I recommend always hire a guide if you are visiting a place like this. Now I'll say that the other compound that I was talking about, there were a lot of people bothering just to be your guide. But that was kind of good, because he took only 30 rupees from me, but he told a lot of things. And here I'm not having a guide, and I'm just roaming here and there, watching foreigners. Oh man. That 30 rupees were worth. तालाब में पानी की गहराई अधिक है, कृपया तालाब के नज़दीक न जाएं. ओके. This old village is built over a ridge, small ridge. In every corner, if you will get to the corner of this compound, you will get to see the bird's eye view of the city below, in all around, and that looks beautiful. What is here? A lot of noise is coming. ये पलंग है, ये पत्थर का पलंग. ये ऊंचा है. अब 2-4 सीढ़ियाँ लगेगी इधर. भाई नीचे आग जलाते थे ठंड के मौसम में बेड को गर्म रखने के लिए. ये देखो, ये है बेड. ये रहा बेड. भाई मुझे तो दिखाई नहीं दिया, और वो बोल रहा था ये ऊंचा है. अबे ये ऊंचा है, ये सेकंड फ्लोर है. मैं इसके नीचे चला गया. भाई साहब, अकबर का बेड. Tourist guides are available here very easily. Like in any language you want, you will get the guide instantly. I only during this visit I heard many languages. Some information. Hujrai Anup Talab, Turkish Sultan's house. Turkish Sultan, तुर्की सुल्तान का मकान. That's amazing. The garden is well maintained. The other building was not that maintained. It was maintained from inside, but the main front side of the Buland Darwaza, that was very, very dirty. Goats were all around there. But this looks amazing. That's why they charged 50 rupees for that. And the other, that compound, that is free. You will not cost any money there. And I thought that was the main building to see. Man, I wasted 2 hours there. I should have made that little quickly. Another compound. Look at that door. Another door. I don't know where that goes. I'm not gonna jump from there. I'll have to visit 6 more days, man, alone. I should not jump here and there. Fatehpur Sikri. If you want to purchase some books, there. विभागीय प्रकाशन बिक्री केंद्र. Okay. Fee of ASI guides at Fatehpur Sikri. 1 to 5 person, 2 hours, 450 rupees. 6 to 14 person, 2 hours, 650 rupees. 15 to 35 person, 2 hours, 800 rupees. That is what I was talking about. Like a traveler like me, I'm traveling solo. I will not take a guide definitely for 450 rupees. That 30 rupees was good. More foreigners. Round, same. I'll make little fast. What a good bath there. Having fun. बस भाई, बस टाइम पे मिल जाए यहाँ से निकलने के टाइम. 1 घंटे लगे थे मुझे आने में, और शायद मुझे अब लग रहा है मैं सिकंदरा नहीं जा पाऊंगा. Oh, that was the junction. I came that way.